Hello and hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NURSYAZLIYANA binti BASRI, or my famous name, CZZZ. So today's topic in What's Up Video 3.0, I'm going to tell you about the hottest topics nowadays, which is Hari Raya open houses, etiquette, do's and don'ts. Yes. So as the month of Shawwal is still here, we as Malaysian embrace a favorite local tradition that is very familiar and popular, which is Hari Raya open houses. So friends and families open doors to their homes and welcome everyone from all walks of life to join in the celebration. So a Hari Raya open house brings together people regardless of religion, race or social background. However, before you go open house visit, you need to observe the proper etiquette. So take a look at some of the do's and don'ts that I have listed in this video so that you don't cross the line internationally or uninternationally. Do knock and greet before you enter someone's house. Even though it is an open house and the idea of it is to welcome the guests, it doesn't mean that you can enter someone's home as you. Please. It is only polite to knock on the door or call out if it is open to alert the host of your presence so that they can receive you. Usually, Muslim people will greet you by offering you one or both of their hands and then grasping your hand before bringing his hand back to his chest, like this. Woo! Do help out wherever you can. As fun as it may seem, hosting an open house can be quite laborious. So from waking up in the wee hours to preparing food to cleaning up the house and entertaining guests. So your host has a lot on his plate. So you can help them ease up the workload by clearing your plate and taking it to the kitchen. You can even help wash the plates if you want to, but of course, it is not necessary to do so, and your host also may even forbid you from helping them. Don't attend to your smartphones or tablets every 5 minutes. Yes, I know we live in a world where we are slaves to our smart gadgets. But when you are at Hari Raya open house, try not to spend every 5 minutes you are there staring at that small screen. An open house is the perfect time for you to sit down and catch up with your friends, and I am pretty sure that they will not be pleased if you spend more time chatting with your online friends than with them. So, put down that phone and mingle around, because that Facebook status, Instagram story, Instagram post can wait for you. Don't open Raya packet in front of people. Do you know how it's rude to open gift in front of the gifter? Yes, the same concept applies to Raya packets. So if you are visiting with kids, inform them to hold off opening the packets until they are home. I know you don't want them running around tearing the Raya packets and counting the amount they receive in front of the host, right? Because as it is discourteous. So that's why you need to inform them. Alright? So there you have it, the do's and don'ts of Raya's open house visit that we call Hari Raya open houses, etiquette, do's and don'ts. So I think that's all from me, NURSYAZLIYANA binti BASRI, or my famous name, CZZZ. So thank you so much for watching my What's Up Video 3.0, and selamat Hari Raya, maaf zahir dan batin, and goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you again.